What's up, guys? Welcome to Viral Money Dude channel, and today it's another day for another interesting videos, especially for those looking for remote jobs, okay, or remote works. So there's a current search or need for people that are very good in native languages, okay, like Igbo languages, okay, Igbo language, Hausa language, full food, that's Fulani, and Yoruba language, and so many other speakers from different other countries, okay. But today, if you're watching this video and you're fluent in speaking Igbo, you're fluent in speaking Yoruba, I have two openings that are currently looking for hiring for this position, and I think they're paying quite well per hour, okay. I think I saw the offer about $15 to $25 per hour. I can't really recall that, but you get what I'm trying to say. So if you're interested in these opportunities, then just make sure you arrange your CV, put in your experience, okay, all right, and then watch this video to the end. Share these videos to other friends of yours that you know are good in speaking, okay, various languages. That's they are bilingual, they can speak other foreign languages. That is going to be a plus for them. So guys, let's get right into this video and watch this video to the end. So as you can see, I've been able to make about $3,300 as a remote job worker for the specific skill I offer, which is all about training AI. Okay, so for yours it would be different. I just want to show you that you can also make money online. So I'm talking about these jobs or remote jobs where you can actually give your voice out and make money, okay, speaking your native language. One of those platforms I have been longing to talk about is Silencio. Silencio actually started as a crypto project, and I'm quite happy to see that they are still on ground and they have pivoted into AI training, not just AI training but voice AI training. So here on Silencio, you get the link to this platform in the comment section. So check the comment section of this video or the description box. You would find so many interesting things. Okay, so we'll start with the first thing on the left side of my screen, which is info. So here on info, I think it's going to be a short tutorial video on what they are building. Okay, you can watch this whole thing, okay, on gives you a brief about the platform. Okay, so you don't just walk in blindly. You can also see their white paper to see what they are trying to build. Now in the opportunity section, this is where you get jobs you qualify for. As you can see, I am going for Hausa because I speak Hausa. And if you come over to the shareable, okay, you would be able to see other languages. So I would keep this link for you guys in the comment section. If you're very fluent in TIV, I just found this out. TIV, I think people in Benue, Taraba, you can see paying over 10 USD per hour, and you can see over 153 persons have joined this tax, and this tax still has over 960 hours. Okay, only 40 hours of recording has been made so far. It still has over 1,000 hours left. That means you have a lot of opportunity to make money here. So if we have 960 hours times $10, so over $9,600 open for you guys, okay, to make money from this platform. So let's go over to Igbo. Okay, you can see Igbo right now. Igbo has a lot of hours, about 3,000. So what we have here is 1,700 hours left. So you have to be mindful of this, because once it's completed, I think that will be all for that. Yoruba. Okay, you can see Yoruba has over 1,200 hours left, and Fula, you can see Fula also has over 981 hours left. So these jobs are very much open, and I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. So make sure to share this out to your friends, your family, anyone at all can jump into this thing. Okay, it's very straightforward, and I'll show you how to register in this platform in a minute. So this is where you get these opportunities, and this is where you're going to be training. Okay, So you don't need a laptop for this. Please, you don't need a laptop for this. Take note. All right, I'm just making this video right here because it's convenient, but you don't need a laptop for this. Right from your mobile phone, you would be able to work on this platform and several others I would show you in this video. So you would be able to train the AI based on the tasks they would give you. You can see it right here. They will first need to validate your audio. They will need to know if your audio is clear, so make sure you're at a place where you can record videos or record quietly. So don't record these audios at noisy places. You can see the recording tips are all here. So each recording you're going to make, all right, it should be greater than 20 seconds and it should not be more than 5 minutes. So if you're able to record for 5 minutes, I'm just giving you guys the possible thing you can do. I'm just showing you guys how you can work on this platform so that you don't come in asking me that. So make sure to watch this video to the end. I always say this because when you ask me questions that have already been stated or answered in my videos, believe me, I'm going to ignore you totally. I'm not going to answer you. So how to make over an hour, all right, in Silencio. So let's take for instance this question says, do you enjoy creating art? Do you enjoy creating art? This is how it's going to be for other languages. So maybe this could be written in Igbo, this could be written in Igbo, this could be written in Hausa, this could be written in Tiv, this could be written in Yoruba, or whatever the question could be. So yours is to read the question which is there in your language and then answer in your language. Now since this is in English, do you enjoy creating art? I would click on start the recording and then say things about art, like things I love doing about art. I love creating art because it shows me a lot, like it's good. I love designs, I love painting and stuff like that. So you are recording this in your language based on the question that is asked. You don't just read a question that is asking about art and then you go and say something about washing or something out of the topic. So you can see you can talk about anything within the topic. Please take note of these things so that your recording is not rejected. All right, so make sure whatever question is being asked in your language, you talk within that topic and try to talk as much as you can talk so that you'll be able to get the maximum of 5 minutes. If you're able to get the maximum of 5 minutes, when you do 12 tasks, 12 different tasks, 12 different questions, that is 5 minutes times 12. That will give you 16 minutes, which is an hour. So you see how this works, and that gives you $10. You keep on recording, you keep on recording, you keep on recording, and you make your money. It's straightforward as that. So in history, you're going to see your recording, if they have accepted it, you're going to see it here. You can see I've already done one for a test, and you're going to see your history. If it's accepted, you can see this is still pending. If it's accepted, if it's not accepted, and so on. Then in your earnings, you're going to see it in SLC or in USDC. So any one of them, but I'm going to talk about how to withdraw on this platform. So you can withdraw directly to your ERC20 wallet on PIP network. Now for a lot of you that are not crypto oriented or crypto focused, this might be a difficult thing for you, but it's not a big deal. So they just need your Ethereum wallet address on PIP network. I really don't know how I'm going to do this, because if I would want to talk about this video would take more time, and most of you don't end up watching the video to the end. But if you can create a MetaMask wallet, you can create a MetaMask wallet. You can download MetaMask on your mobile phone. Create your wallet. You could get videos on YouTube on how to do that. A lot of things are on YouTube you could learn. So I would get my wallet, because MetaMask has a single wallet address. You can see this is the same wallet address here, this is the same wallet address here, this is the same wallet address here, and so on. So this is a unified address that I can use to withdraw from Silencio. So I just copied my address. I'm going to paste it. So this is my ERC20 wallet on PIP network. So I'm going to just paste it there, and I'll accept all this term. So I add the wallet. and that's all. So whatever money I'm going to withdraw from this platform henceforth would be coming directly to my MetaMask wallet on this peak network. So it's a very straightforward thing. So next is the community. You can join the Silencio community. Lastly, you can also see leaderboard. Okay, you can see where you're ranked, your hours. You can see this guy has recorded over 65 hours worth of videos. That's of audio. That's over $650 if we're going $10 per hour. Okay, so lastly, it's my profile, and this is where you're going to see. So my languages are English and Hausa, and that. So this is just basically it. So to register, like I said, the link will be in the comment section. So to register, I'll drop my link right there so that you can jump into this platform immediately. So once you click on my link, I will just open this right here. You should be brought to the home page, and basically all you need to do is just sign in with your Google account. Okay, sign in with your Google email, and that will be all. So you can see I can create a new account by signing in with my Google email, but I won't be doing that. Okay, so the remaining process is quite straightforward, no big deal about that. So guys, make sure to jump into Silencio, very open and stress-free. Now the next platform I would talk about is Invisible. Invisible is quite a nice platform by top US company, and they are actually paying quite well. So here on Invisible, this is how the marketplace look like. A lot of jobs here, but I've been able to filter out specific jobs that are looking for Hausa voice trainers, Yoruba voice trainers, and Igbo voice trainers. So I have the link. The link will be in the comment section, just like I said, or in the description box. So I will just show you guys briefly how to apply. So this is for Hausa. So once I click on that, I'm now redirected, okay, to the application page. So you can read a lot about the job. You can see it's worldwide remote, and you can move forward to apply. And you can see the offer here for this job is ranging from $8 to $65 based on what they want you to do. So you just need to put in your name, all right, your email, your phone number. It's a very straightforward process. Then you have to attach your CV. Okay, attach your CV. All right, you can edit your CV, put in Hausa expert or Hausa teacher in secondary school, or Hausa teacher in the university, or just put in something that makes your CV looks legitimate, okay, that makes your CV support this job you're applying for. Now this applies to other languages like Igbo, Yoruba, full field, and others. So make sure you include Hausa in your CV or resume, edit it there, so you attach it. All right, so you attach it to this. Okay, and then the next thing is you have to select your school. Now I'm a bit this is a bit of a problem, because on this section you find out that you will not get to see Nigerian universities yet. Okay, that's one thing I understood. If I type in let's say university, okay, of Kano, you would hardly find any Nigerian university here. Let's say Lagos State University. Let's see if that's going to come out. So you hardly find any Nigerian university here. But check, if you don't see anyone, just pick any random university here. Okay, just pick any random university here. So you put in your bachelor's degree, and then your discipline you can put in, I don't know, is there Hausa language? Okay, there is no Hausa language here. Maybe just put in linguistic. Okay, linguistic, you know, basically these are language specialists. So you put your start date, you put your end date. All right, you select your country, Nigeria. Okay, and okay, select Nigeria, and you move on. If you're current, no, you answer all these things respectively. Okay, then you can put your rate $15 or $10. That's based on you. And also you can put in your LinkedIn profile and click on the acknowledgement and submit your application. Once you do that, Invisible is going to send you an email. Okay, so watch out for your email inbox on the test. Okay, so you're going to carry out the test, and that will be all. So you're going to carry out the test, and the next step would be sent to you. All right, So that is all about Invisible. Now the third platform of my list is Pillar 8. Okay, Pillar 8 is another interesting site where you can record audios and get rewarded for it or get paid for it. So I'm still navigating through this site. I'll drop the registration link in the comment section as usual, and I would make more proper videos about this platform in future, but I'm just giving you guys the knowledge or letting you guys know about platforms like this so you can also go ahead to do your own findings. All right, so you can see the only thing about Pillar 8 is but Stripe is open in Nigeria. So at the moment there are no payout for people in Nigeria. We are working actively with Stripe too, but I have a Stripe account and I think we can also receive through Stripe. So I intend to work on this platform. I've not had the time, but I will do so, and when I make money from them I would update you guys about these three platforms. But if you're smart enough to explore them, please check Pillar 8, apply for Invisible, and then make sure you don't miss out on Silencio. Okay, remember you can also search for whatever language you can say or speak in this place, so you're not limited. Okay, I can't search for all languages, so just check yours out and see if it's there. So guys, this is all. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and I will see you guys in another video. Have a nice day.